Hello, it's Keith here, and I'd just like to do a little video today to introduce another programming competition I've got on my forums. You can sign up to my forums free of charge. It's just a little web forum that we discuss programming on. Now, the competition's very straightforward. All you've got to do is write some kind of programming assembly and show it on the Show and Tell forum, and you can see the Show and Tell here. Now, the program can be of any size. It doesn't have to be particularly big or particularly complex. It also doesn't have to be finished. It just has to be something you're actively working on and you can show and describe to prove that it's your own work. Now, the competition's very straightforward. 2 people will win one of 2 mini arcade machines. I'll be giving away 201 retro arcade video games and also Mini PacMan. I recently reviewed them on my ChibiAkumas live channel, so if you're not subscribed to that, please subscribe to ChibiAkumas Live, where I play different games and things on live streams. So please, if that's interesting, please join that. But anyway, these 2 will be given away. 2 people will be picked at random. It's a totally random affair, not a performance-based competition, because I want to encourage people who've never programmed before to have a go, and if it was done based on the best submissions, that would really push people out from being able to participate. Anyone who gives programming a go has a chance of winning this. You can submit for free because signing up to my forum's free. I'll be posting it for free, and so you've got no reason not to give it a go. So I'm hoping this will encourage people to have a little go at programming if maybe they've never quite taken the plunge yet. So, just spend a few hours programming something up, tell us what you've programmed, and that's all you need to do. So post some content on the forum for me. Anyway, if you're interested in my live streams, please join the ChibiAkumas Live channel. I also now have a Discord chat room, so if that's interesting to you, please sign up to that. The link's on the forum as well. Anyway, whatever you do, I hope you'll enjoy programming and have some fun programming in assembly. Thanks for watching as always today, and have a Merry Christmas. Bye now.